Without being able to buy parts to repair this Bugatti, it seemed like an impossible rebuild. And on top of that, even if we were able to buy parts, they were just extortionate.
Headlights for a Chiron, €150,000. A bonnet, €50,000. And bumper, €80,000.
Why he did that? I guess we'll have to find out. I'm now gonna get to rebuild a Bugatti, learn about it, take you guys along with me, and not have to risk any of my own money. And on top of that, we're getting paid to do it.